What's up, guys? It's your boy, Ricky Ross. Happy New Year to everybody out there. I'm glad you were able to make it to this year. And I want you to say it, believe it, and do it. That should be your logo or motto for the year. And it's all yours for the taking. Awesome, guys. I go by Ricky Ross. For those of you out there who don't know who I am, Amazon Germany, been doing this for quite some time. Something that just fell into my eyes. And I do offer a mentorship program. If you're interested, my email will be in the description down below. Awesome, guys. Let's jump into this video. 10 steps you must follow to start selling on Amazon Germany / Europe. So we're going to discuss about that. I'm going to go through the 10 quick steps that you need to follow in order to start selling on Amazon Germany. Step number 1, register your business. Here in Germany, to register a business, you simply need to go to the Gewerbeamt in your city. Every city has a Gewerbeamt. Gewerbeamt is simply a department of the government that registers businesses. Okay. This can cost you anywhere from 30 euros to 50 euros. Normally, it's no more than 50 euros. The biggest setback here is the time it takes. Some cities you can just walk in and get your business registration done. In some cities you need some time, so it could take anywhere from 1 day to 1 month to 2 months. It really depends on the city that you live in. Okay, so basically you want to either register. Well, when you register, guys, I think there's a misconception out there. A lot of people ask me, when I register, can I register as a sole proprietor or register as a corporation? Like in here in Germany, there's a UG and there's a GmbH, there's a partnership. Well, those forms of businesses actually come, how do I explain this in a simpler way? They kind of come later. Okay. So meaning that if you register as a sole proprietorship, it just simply means the business is in your personal name. You don't need to do anything else. If you're registering as a partnership in Germany, it's called a GBR. You need to then write up a contract between you and the partner, and I think you need to go to what's called a notary, and get the documents signed. But I might be wrong on that. Don't quote me. But definitely you need a notary when you're registering a UG and a GmbH. Those two forms of businesses, you definitely need a notary. There are lots of other forms of businesses in Germany. I'm not going to go through them, but the basic thing you must do, I'm just focusing on sole proprietorship. If you're going to do Amazon, the simplest one to start off with is a sole proprietor. Okay. And it's called Einzelunternehmer in German. Okay. Then step number 2, get your business tax number / and VAT number. Sorry, not slash. Get your business tax number and VAT number. Okay. 2 different things. In Germany, when you register a business, you're then given by the Finanzamt, that's the tax authorities in Germany, you're given what's called a Steuer number, and that's your business tax number. Then you also can request for a VAT number, and that's called Umsatzsteuer number. Okay. Now, the difference between the two is the business tax number, although it's also a tax number that you can use if you're only going to be dealing locally within Germany. You're not going to, say, for example, sell outside Germany, or do any sort of business outside Germany. Okay, so for example, people who only need a tax number, a business tax number, or Steuer number would be somebody like a barber, a local barber, in your community, or a kiosk, or a hairdresser, a painter. He's only dealing within the community, within the city limits, or within Germany. So he's not going outside Germany. So you need a VAT number when you know you're going to be buying and selling, or getting people to buy from you outside Germany, like from France, Italy, Spain. So those countries, you definitely need a VAT number for those countries. Okay. So how do you get your VAT number? Several ways you can do it. The one way, you can go to the Elster, sign up to the Elster. I have a video. I'm going to put it up there, or up there, on how to register yourself with the Elster. Elster is simply a website that's used to communicate with the finance. That's the German tax authorities. That's what the website is all about. You can go through the Elster and get your VAT number and business tax ID number, or you could use a third-party software. A lot of the third-party softwares do it for free, and I'm going to put a link to the one I use down below in the description. Or you can have a tax consultant in Germany, in German, Steuerberater. You can have them get this tax number and Steuer number for you if you wish to do that. Okay, good. One more thing. It takes 6 to 8 weeks to get this numbers. Okay, 6 to 8 weeks. So you must be patient, guys, because it's not it's not something you get instantly, unfortunately. Okay, step number 3: apply for your Amazon Seller Central account. Okay, a lot of people sometimes apply for the Amazon Seller Central at the very beginning. While there's nothing wrong with that, if you're going to go the professional, if you're going to get the professional subscription, because Amazon has 2 subscriptions, and that's the individual and the professional. Individual is like 99 cents per transaction. Professional is like 39 plus €1 extra for each country in Europe per month. So if you're going to go professional, you definitely need to then get your business registered, because it's going to ask you for the business registration number when you're applying, when you're getting your Seller Central account. And you also want to get your VAT number, and of course your tax number, because eventually Amazon will ask for those numbers. Okay, so you simply, once you go to Amazon Seller Central .de, you, step 1, simply go to sellercentral.amazon.de, sign up for the professional option, input your business registration number. That's step number 2. Then number 3, input your personal details. Number 4, make sure you have a scanned copy of your passport, because Amazon is going to require you to upload a scanned copy of your passport. Have a PDF file of your recent bank statement, or a bank statement within the past 6 months that shows your current address. You must have a credit card or debit card with a Visa or MasterCard logo, because that's where Amazon is going to try and grab their fee from. It's good to have a computer when doing the registration, because at the very end, you're going to do a video verification. Although you can do it on your handy, but for the business, you definitely need a computer. I cannot stress that enough. You need a computer. to do this business. Okay, guys, not you. The cell phone can work as an extra feature, but you need a computer. I'll put the link to the computer I recommend or equipment I recommend for Amazon. Okay. So after the verification, you get an email from Amazon telling you your account is approved. Okay. So step number 4, apply for LUCID number. Now in Germany, there's what we call the EPR program, extended. Oh gosh, I forget the name. I'm going to put it in the. I'm going to put it on the screen right here. So the EPR program is simply saying that, hey, you guys are putting a lot of paper, a lot of plastic, a lot of recyclable items into our country. So we need you guys to also be part of the people who pay for it. So you must get an LUCID number so you can also pay part of the fees that's involved in recycling all this trash. Okay. So once you get your Lucid number, you go to step number 5. Input the Lucid number into your Amazon and wait at least 5 or more days for Amazon to approve it. Without the LUCID number, you cannot sell on Amazon Germany. Amazon Germany requires it. Without it, they will not approve you. Okay. It's obviously step number 6 would be after your Lucid is approved, you're now ready to start selling. Okay. Then we go from step number 6 to number 7. Decide which strategy you want to use. Do you want to do the wholesale method or the private label method of Amazon? So this is where my mentorship, comes into play. In my mentorship, we go into details about these 2 different strategies. So if you're interested, simply send me an email. My email will be in the description down below, like I said earlier in the video, and then we'll have a one-on-one. Okay. Step number 8. Do your market research and product research. Guys, I can't stress that enough. A lot of people just simply jump into the market. They go buy products and then send it to Amazon without doing any market research whatsoever. Um, although there is a way to do proper market research and product research, so you need to understand Amazon. You need to understand numbers on Amazon. I teach a manual way of reading numbers on Amazon. But there are tools out there that you can also use. There's Helium 10, there's Jungle Scouts, I think there's AMZ, quite a lot of good tools that you can use, but you must know how to use them, guys. Getting them is not the problem, is how to use them. That's always the problem, okay? Then step number 9, find manufacturers, suppliers, and distributors. In my mentorship, I teach you how to find manufacturers and suppliers, how to, what to say, how to approach them, how to find them. That's always sometimes a big problem for a lot of people, but I teach that in my mentorship. And then step number 10 is actually the most important step. Do your VAT and income taxes, guys. Now, VAT and income taxes, 2 completely separate things. The VAT, you must do it when you first register as a business in Germany and you start selling. You will be, more than likely, you will be required to file your VAT every quarter. There are 4 quarters in the year. First quarter is January, February, March. Second quarter is April, May, June, and so on. You get the gist. So each quarter, you must file your VAT, whether or not you made a sale or not. That's the part a lot of people get wrong. They say, well, I did not make any sales. Am I still required to file VAT or file taxes? That's what they always say. Yes, VAT is value added tax. This is the 19% that everybody pays when they buy a product or offer a service. And then if it's food related items, it's 7% VAT. Uh, Only certain organizations are allowed to charge 0%. So you must file your VAT, guys, every quarter. VAT is done quarterly, while the income tax is simply your expenses or your income minus expenses. Okay. Then whatever's left is now your income. You do that at the end of the year. That's your income tax. It could be you didn't make any profit, then you have no income tax to pay. Okay. You broke even, then you have no income tax to pay. And that's basically it in a nutshell, the 10 steps that you have to follow to sell on Amazon Germany in 2025. Okay. So, guys, if you found this helpful, please, please, please drop your comment in the comment section or share it with somebody who may need it. Definitely, definitely, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel so we can help the channel grow and reach more people, help more people out there in Germany who are trying to get started with their Amazon journey. Truly appreciate it. If you have any questions or if I missed something, please always drop your comment in the comment section. Okay, guys, I appreciate it. Once again, it's your boy Ricky Ross, Amazon Germany seller, saying Happy New Year, and I'm out.